Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show how you can simply customize your social wall by some design features. This is how the basic social wall looks after a project is created. To change it we need to go to the project settings. Scroll down to the Design and Styles part. You can insert some URLs here to define a page header or a background image. I have prepared a background image here. I will show you how to use your own Dropbox pictures in the description of this tutorial. So just copy this link and paste it to the background image field. The same thing works for a header picture. I have prepared this one with Photoshop. It's a PNG to have a transparent background and it has some margin on the top, because otherwise it would be straight at the top of the social wall, which looks quite strange in my view. So let's see how it looks now with this changes. Great, this is much better. You can also change some colors. I would like to have a dark background and white lettering for my posts. Back to the project settings. So here I can choose the color for the background. I take black but add some transparency. So 70% black should be fine. And now the font, I just take white. You can use hex, RGB or RGB codes here as well. The field for page background should be empty if you have a background image, otherwise you can add a background color here. And at last I want to push my header image to the left. I can do this by adding some text after my image URL. I just put a comma, mid, comma and right behind my URL. So it moves to the left. So let's refresh our wall again. This looks pretty good already. Just let me make my header image a little bigger and put it back to the center. I leave this field blank and delete this text after my URL. Don't forget to save. And great. This is perfect. I have an examples how to change Dropbox URLs and how to handle header image positions in the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your social wall.